Great question. Is tapering off safe, and how much do you taper off a day if you're attempting to drink less alcohol? My name's Cody. I'm the creator of Beyond Sober. Tapering off or practicing drinking less alcohol is the definition of developing a healthier relationship with alcohol. That's really the point of sobriety. Sobriety isn't just about not drinking. It's about developing a relationship with alcohol to where alcohol is not a problem. Remember, alcohol is only a problem if it's a problem. There's millions of people that have a healthy relationship with alcohol where they drink because it adds value to their life. They don't drink because they're upset. They don't drink because of pain. They don't drink to get drunk. They don't drink to black out. They don't drink to numb anything. They use alcohol as a tool to improve their quality of life. So as you practice consuming less alcohol daily, then you are slowly transitioning into someone that can casually consume liquor. That sounds easier said than done. What that reality is, this is why we teach the single shot method. Single shot method is averaging the amount of alcohol you consume a day. In your case, it may be 10 drinks or 10 beers or whatever. If 10 is your average, you are going to intentionally practice drinking 9. What that's going to do is it's going to train your mind and body to expect less alcohol and learn to operate with less of the alcohol as the fuel source in your system. If we drink a lot of alcohol for a long period of time and it's a casual part of our existence or a major part of our existence, if we just remove the fuel source from our body, we start to stutter, we start to shake, we start to have withdrawals. Before anyone flips out, if you're thinking about withdrawals and those withdrawals are the reasons why you keep drinking, I want you to remember that you're thinking about those withdrawals with an amplification unit, which is alcohol, and exacerbating those results. Most of the people that quit drinking alcohol don't go through extreme withdrawals. 90% of the people I've ever worked with have never had to deal with withdrawals, and they were all convinced that it was going to happen. So don't let the fear of withdrawals stop you from practicing drinking less alcohol. As you lower your number, was 10, now it's 9, you get good at 9, now you're gonna practice drinking 8. When you get good at drinking 8, then you're gonna practice drinking 7. As you lower, not your tolerance, but your intake, you may find yourself in a position where you can quit, just stop, with 0 withdrawals at all. If you're drinking at high risk, more for a day, taking tons of shots, and you're getting drunk and you're blacking out and you're binging and you're doing all that stuff, just quitting cold turkey is not a safe bet. I'm thoroughly encouraging you to practice the single shot method, average it out, -1, do it again. Average it out, -1, do it again. You need support, you know where to find me.